Hey, I'm Alethea Bruzek, Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Welcome to Made from Scratch. This program is in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. Today, we're going to make smoothies. I'm going to show you 2 types of smoothie recipes, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about how to build a better smoothie. Let's get started. I'd like to share with you a little bit more about building a better smoothie. Smoothies can be a great option for a healthy on-the-go breakfast, snack, or even dessert for kids and adults. Be cautious though when it comes to choosing your smoothie ingredients. Not every smoothie is a nutritious choice. Some are loaded with a lot of sugar, added fat, and extra calories. So be aware of these things and how you can choose your smoothie ingredients so that you're not adding a bunch of sugar to your diet. The ingredients you choose can influence the nutrient content of your smoothie. A smoothie that includes healthy ingredients like vegetables as well as fruits can be very helpful. Always think about having protein and dairy products. If dairy products are something that you're not really comfortable with using for whatever reason, you can always choose a dairy alternative that works best for you. Fiber is really important when it comes to your smoothie. Obviously, when you use fresh fruits and vegetables or frozen fruits and vegetables that still have the skin on, you're going to get much more fiber. So you can choose smoothie recipes that have just fruit, like the tropical smoothie that we made today from Wally Wildcat, or you can use a combination of fruits and vegetables like the superfood smoothie that we also made today. You can find protein in a variety of things. You can use plant-based proteins in your smoothies, such as Yogurt is a great source of protein, as well as any type of protein powder that you may be interested in. Always check with your doctor before using supplements or anything like that. Today I also use orange juice. When you're making your smoothies, it's important that you have the proper amount of liquid. Oftentimes, if you need a little bit more liquid in your smoothie recipe because it's a little thicker than you would prefer, you can use water to kind of thin that out, and it won't affect the flavor at all. But today I used some orange juice. Another opportunity for dairy in your smoothies might be milk, or any type of dairy alternative like almond milk, oat milk, whatever type of milk you like. So just keep those things in mind when you are choosing your smoothie ingredients. One last thing I want to mention about two things actually. One about yogurt and one about canned fruits. So what you're going to want to look for when it comes to a yogurt option in your smoothie, you're going to want to try and find a light version or a no sugar added version. Always look on the label of those fat-free alternatives because they sound like they're going to be healthier for you, but they may actually be loaded with added sugar, which is not the goal. Last but not least, when it comes to choosing canned fruits to go in your smoothies, it's important to look on the can and make sure that that fruit is canned in either water or its own juice. Also, before you use canned fruits or anything like that in your smoothie, check the recipe to see if you're supposed to drain it or not. In the superfood smoothie that we did today, we did the canned pineapple and did not drain it, so that liquid helped to create the smoothie. It was part of the recipe. So for any further questions and concerns, of course, you can always refer to your kit, which has this wonderful publication, Building a Better Smoothie, in it. I absolutely love this on the back, this chart of how to build your own. So it gives you ideas from each section, from fruits to how to kick up the nutrition with a vegetable, adding a base like water, coconut milk, almond milk, juice, whatever you want to do, adding in some extra stuff, things that I didn't use today but I love to put in smoothies, peanut butter, flaxseed meal, oats, honey. Thanks for watching Made from Scratch Smoothies. You can pick up your kit for this program at either the Boyle County Public Library or the Boyle County Extension office. Join us next month when we make chicken salad.